Alrighty guys, welcome back. We're out here checking the trap line. Dad, Heidi and I on the snow machines this morning. We got about 4 or 5 inches of fresh powder there last night. And yeah, so our first stop today is up here at Jordan's bush. And yeah, we actually already got a coyote, but we're going to come back to that. We'll show you guys that in a second. But we're just heading out to the bait pile here. We're going to check the snares.
And there Mike going to pick up his first one of the day. Nice fresh snow that we haven't hardly seen all winter. This one's stone dead. There goes Heidi to help him. Dad's a big helper.
You want to drag that out? That stick?
Better grab it by the other end, otherwise you won't get it. Drag it from the big end, Heidi. That's it.
Here, you want me to turn it for you?
There, now you'll get her. There she comes.
Yes, you're right, Pop.
I don't think he's any good.
No? He got mange?
Oh, he's
Small?
missing all of his shoulder fur here.
Really?
See?
I wonder if they're getting mange.
Well, no, it's rubbed.
Oh? Nope. Oh, you got the stick out, eh, Hyde? That old flipping old stick ain't gonna hold you, eh? Might hold the coyote, but it don't hold Hyde. War right out now. Probably eat 3 big sandwiches for lunch, eh, Hyde? What'd you have for breakfast?
Nutella with bagel and cream cheese with bagel.
Yeah?
Nutella's just a type of chocolate.
Oh my. You lose your lock?
I lost the safety clip there.
No.
You want to look at him or?
I can see him. I've seen him. It's up to you.
No, there's no worth there.
No, eh? He's a little one too, eh?
Yeah.
Not too big.
What is it?
Yeah, but just missing all that hair.
Huh.
Is he staying?
Yeah, it's not mange. He's got a nice tail and everything. It's just in between his shoulder blades.
Keep him still, huh?
Good enough drag?
Well, it worked that time. Might be a little different if you had to stay alive. It wasn't good.
Not that I care. Alright, we're at the sand pit. We just finished checking traps. Oh, Heidi and I just finished climbing the hill there. Something went through that snare. But with the fresh snow last night, it was too hard to tell what it was. But anyway, so yeah, just the one coyote so far at Jordan's, and it wasn't any good. It had shoulder mites, or it was rubbed, or anyway. Looks like a bobcat here at the sand pit gut pile. It was working on a fox since the snow this morning, so And it looks like it took off running, so we probably scared it out of here. Anyway, we're gonna head on over to that new bush, the alder bush. So we're gonna go over there and check. Who knows, maybe today's the day for finally picking something up there. It'd be nice. So anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Well guys, we're just walking out of my brother's place here, and we never caught anything more. Still no sign at the alder bush, and there was nothing here to Phil's, so, and nothing at the home bush. So that's gonna do it for this little video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, so till next time, ciao.